Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix system restore grayed out in Windows 10. Type system restore point in Windows search bar. Click create a restore point. System restore is disabled by your system administrator. Type Gpedit in Windows search bar. Click Edit Group Policy. Click and expand Administrative Templates. Click and expand System. Click and expand System Restore. Open Turn off System Restore. Check Not configured. Click Apply, OK. Close and exit Group Policy Editor. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.